Welcome to Stitching Elite. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a double-sided fisherman's hat or bucket hat like this one. In the description of this video, I'll leave you the link for the pattern in 4 different sizes, including baby size up to adult XL. The pattern consists of 3 pieces. One circular piece is the top of the hat. You're going to cut this one twice, one of each color. Then, the part that wraps around your head, you're going to cut that 4 times, 2 of each color. And lastly, the piece that is going to cover you from the sun, you're going to cut that 4 times as well, 2 of each color. You are going to join the pieces this way. The pattern already includes 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch for the seam allowances. It's time to place the piece that wraps around your head onto the circular piece. This is how you're going to position it. It's important to check the pattern markings. You need to make small cuts or notches. That will guide you where to join the pieces together. Pin the pieces together to keep them from shifting while you sew. Now, iron the seams down, both the top and the bottom. Then, top stitch along the seam to secure it in place. And here we are already on the final stretch. What we are going to do is put together the 2 little hats we have here. We're going to join them so we can flip them over and have the 2-sided hat. We're going to pin them together and sew them around, leaving a space of about 10 inches so we can turn it right side out. And that's all there is to it. I love how it turned out. One of the things I like most about this hat is that you can wear it both ways, so you practically have two hats in one. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next video.